Recording is started. Recording is started. First joint, that is immovable joint or sutural joint. We have learned that. Second is partial movable joint or cartilaginous joint. In that we have seen that examples. So third is synovial joint. Synovial joint, it is freely movable joint. So here synovial membrane is present surrounding to joint. Which secretes synovial fluid. एक सेकंड है गुजरी देता है हमें मत लागे तो वे हम acts as a lubricating fluid acts as a lubricating fluid. Synovial joint. मैनेजमेंट डाक का बीच को बदला Okay, now I can draw the diagram here. Synovial joint. I understand. See, upside, this is known as femur. Okay, I can do the knee joint right now. Can't draw the patella here. Fine. Yes, sir. So you know that this is the knee joint, and here the sideways. Actually, this is the longitudinal section of the knee joint. Fine, longitudinal section of the knee joint. But this is known as synovial membrane. Synovial membrane. But understand it that this synovial membrane is totally surrounded to the joint. Very well. Okay, three-dimensionally. Can you imagine that what I mean to say here? This is the longitudinal section. Okay? This is the longitudinal section. Fine. Now the synovial membrane secrete the fluid. Which is present in the joint. Can you understand? So this is known as synovial fluid. Here over that you know it very well. Fine. Yes. Knee joint is made up of three joint કહી શકાય. Can we say? Yes. Knee joint is made up of three joints. Tibiofemoral joint or femorotibial joint, femoropatellar joint and tibiopatellar joint, like that we say. Fine. So just over that here the patella is located, so in between femur and patella and tibia. Synovial fluid is also accumulated. બરાબર આપણે ફ્લુઇડ ને ફીલ કરીએ છીએ. When we move the joint, it provides frictionless movement. Frictionless movement. Understand? In aged portion, what happened? The amount of the synovial fluid decreases, as well as the space of the joint decreases. So both the bones are coming nearer to each other and cause friction. એટલે 50 plus age group માં friction of bones start થઈ જશે due to less amount of synovial fluid, and majority occurs in the knee joint, weight bearing joint. તમે જોજો 50-60 years પછી કોઈ પર્સન હોય knee joint pain ની complaint કરશે. Okay, and that is of the arthritis, inflammation to the joint. એ પછી આપણે disorders માં જોશું. You have seen this, right?
Yes.
are totally 275 bones, 12 weeks embryo there. Fine. And here I have told you that this is the epiphyseal plate. Epiphyseal plate. Child ની અંદર bones always આ રીતે જ હોય. Epiphyseal plate means growing bone. Okay. Here, what happened that due to fracture occurs. For example, due to any reason fracture occurs. Fine. So at that place, more amount of the blood supply there, and gradually new bones are added, and fracture is totally healed. But in child, this epiphyseal line is gradually filled with the help of bones from both the sides, so that spongy bone or soft bone become compact bone, hard bone. We say like that. Okay. So two things are very, very important. Okay. Actually, bone cell known as osteocyte, and osteocyte is of two types: osteoblast and osteoclast. Okay, the bone cells are known as osteocyte. Bone cells are known as osteocyte. Osteocyte is of two types: blast and clast. But according to blast, you can understand. તમને એવું ફીલ થશે કે સર બ્લાસ્ટ નો મતલબ કે બ્રેક તો કરતું જ હશે, but here word is in the opposite way. Osteocyte in that osteoblast are bone forming cells. Okay. Osteoblast, it means bone forming cell, and osteoclast means bone destroying cells. Okay, so our bone is continuously changing organ. Bone is continuously changing structure. Gradually, when we are performing the body activities, fine. So old bone cells are destroyed, and same number of the bone cells are also added. Okay. So bone forming cells are known as osteoblast, and bone for destroying cells are known as osteoclast. It's the bone. Okay, have you ever heard that fragile bone, osteoporosis? Not heard anywhere else? ક્યાંય સાંભળ્યું નથી? Generally, both the cells, osteoblast and osteoclast, are present in the equal number. That's why our bone is maintained in its original state. Okay. For example, due to any reason osteoclast are more than the osteoblast, then what happened? Bone is destroyed more, so bone becomes spongy. Bone becomes spongy and become fragile, easily breakable. Barabar? For example, if I will do the movement, for example, you imagine that this patient has osteoporotic changes. Okay, so when I will move, elbow fracture or humerus fracture occur easily, and there is no chance of operation. Operation માટે પ્લેટ કે સ્ક્રૂ કે રોડ કે જગ્યાએ ફિટ કરવું હોય, so proper stability in the other part of the bone is also required there. Suppose bone is fragile હોય, એક મસ્ત વસ્તુ સમજાવો. ધારો કે આ દીવાલ છે, આ વોલ છે, બરોબર? ઈ વોલ સ્પોન્જી હોય ડ્રીલ ઠીકાણું પાડો. આપણે કઈ સ્ટીક કરી શકશું નહીં રે, બસ સિમિલર ટુ ધેટ એક્ઝેક્ટલી. ઓકે, so here osteoblasts are bone forming cells and osteoclasts, you understand that. disease પછી આપણે જોઈએ છે બરાબર ડીપમાં. આ તો ખાલી two types of bone cells તમને બતાવ્યું, bone forming cell and bone destroying cell. Yeah, not required. See what happened here. Which X-ray is there? Okay, see that. What happened here? Tell me. This is the X-ray of leg. And here see that this is the tibia, this is the ankle joint. If you imagine that. And this is the fibula. Fibula is fractured. And tibia got also fractured here. Okay, and how the fracture site is healed. See, here fracture occurs. So when fracture occurs, at that time in the fracture site blood is accumulated. It is known as hematoma formation. Initially, when fracture occurs, at the fractured site blood is accumulated. This is known as hematoma. And then new bone cells are added, and then so new bone cells are added. That phenomenon is known as callus formation. Callus is initially formed in a fibrous manner. Fine. Then callus is formed in the bony manner, and then the whole bone is healed, and that is known as bone remodeling or healing of the bone fracture. It requires 21 days. બોન ને હીલ થવા માટે 21 days નો ટાઈમ જોઈએ. એટલે કોઈ બી બોન ફ્રેક્ચર ની અંદર 1 month નો ટોટલી બેડ રેસ્ટ કરવાનો આવે. Reason is this. બરાબર, 21 days but 4 weeks, 28 or 30 days. બરાબર, according to the type of. અચ્છા જો આ બહુ જ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ. ઓસ્ટિયોપોરોસિસ एक्चुअली ટેક્સ્ટબુક માં મિસ્ટેક કરી છે, પછી હું તમને કરેક્ટ કરી દઉં છું. read this, understand it first, later on you write that. Okay, see, osteoporosis, bone reabsorption outpaces, bone deposit, bone become lighter and fracture easier. Osteoporosis means spongy bone. You say that fragile bone. Okay. Factors: aging in aged person. Okay. For example, we say that weight, age. In that we say when the age is more. So due to aging, osteoclasts are more than the osteoblasts. So what do you mean by this? Compared to the formation of the bone, destroying is much more here due to aging process, and along with the gender. Why it is more common in women? It is more common in women, and especially during pregnancy. Okay, so during pregnancy the osteoporotic changes are more common in women. Why? Because estrogen amount is low. Testosterone is low in male. During pregnancy, estrogen amount is low. Compared to them, progesterone level is higher. अच्छा, कई वांधो नहीं. बीजी रीते समझाओ. Why it is more common in pregnant lady? Because growing embryo obtain the calcium and phosphorus containing salts from mother's blood to form its own skeleton. So if mother cannot take the adequate amount of calcium and phosphorus containing food, she got osteoporotic changes during pregnancy. The reason is that. Fine. So it is very, very common in the aged person, common in women, especially in the pregnant lady, due to less amount of the estrogen. Clear? Insufficient exercise or too much exercise. Mostly we say that it is commonly seen during in sedentary lifestyle showing person. ગુજરાતીમાં કહું ગઠાળ જીવા કોઈ બોડી એક્ટિવિટી ના કરે. No type of any body activity leads to less activation of the muscles and as well as bones. So they have more probability for osteoporotic changes. Diet poor in calcium and protein. Food ગમે તેવું લે પણ એમાં કેલ્શિયમ કે પ્રોટીન કન્ટેન એડિક્વેટ અમાઉન્ટમાં ના હોય. એટલે તમે જોજો એક મિનિટ, ઓસ્ટિયોપોરોટિક ચેન્જીસ એ પેશન્ટ માટે ખાલી આપણે કેલ્શિયમ સપ્લિમેન્ટ થેરાપી કરી શકીએ. Nothing else more. We give the calcium tablets. બરાબર? આ તો calcium containing. Calcium is more abundant in amount in milk and milk products. એટલે જે લોકો મિલ્ક એન્ડ મિલ્ક પ્રોડક્ટ્સ નથી લેતા એને ફ્યુચરમાં ઓસ્ટિયોપોરોટિક ચેન્જીસ થવાની 60% પોસિબિલિટી રહે છે. બરાબર? તો કાં તો કેલ્શિયમ એઝ અ food we have to take, or we have to intake the calcium in the tablet form also. ઘણા બધા કેલ્શિયમ સેન્ડોઝની એની chewable chocolate બી ખાતા હોય છે. Depends. Abnormal vitamin D receptors. Vitamin D. It is known as cholecalciferol, and our skin is only one organ of the body which form the vitamin D by coming in contact with the sunlight. એટલે તમે જો adequate amount માં sunlight obtain ના કરતા હોય, or if in your body vitamin D deficiency is there, osteoporotic changes occurs. And smoking. Why smoking is affected? Why due to smoking the body is affected? Smoking, so in that tobacco, nicotine is the one chemical which increase the carbon monoxide level in our blood. So more amount of the carbon monoxide decrease the hemoglobin binding capacity with oxygen. समझो, smoking cause more amount of the carbon monoxide amount. More carbon monoxide is bind with the hemoglobin. So hemoglobin is unable to bind with the oxygen. Oxygen depth is created. So due to less amount of the oxygen, blood oxygen supply to the tissue or organ, less respiration process, less metabolic activity થી શું થશે? Bones are affected, cannot show proper growth. Okay, so these are very very common, and along with that another one cause there. Fine. Osteoporosis is commonly seen in the person who is taking prolonged cortisone treatment. Cortisone નામનો એક સ્ટીરોઇડ, તો જો કોઈ પર્સન cortisone steroid ને prolong time સુધી લે, so as a side effect of the steroid, osteoporosis occurs. Okay. એની સાઇડ ઇફેક્ટ છે પ્રોલોંગ ટાઈમ, એટલે તમને સપોઝ કોઈ ઇન્ફેક્શન લાગ્યો, યુ મે રાઇટ પ્લીઝ, યુ કેન રાઇટ. ઓકે, ઓસ્ટિયોપોરોસિસ પ્રોપર ડોઝ તમને આપ્યો હોય એટલું તમે સ્ટીરોઇડ લો, બરોબર છે, બટ એક્સેસ અમાઉન્ટ ઓફ સ્ટીરોઇડ પછી ઘણા બધા એના એડિક્ટિવ બની જાય છે. So if the person is addictive for steroid, and if the person can take the prolonged time steroid, they got the chance of the osteoporosis. हाँ, steroid થી શરીર વધે. મોસ્ટલી સ્કિન ટ્રીટમેન્ટમાં કોઈ બી ડ્રગ્સ યુઝ કરે છે એમાં સ્ટેરોઇડ યુઝ કરે છે, એટલે પ્રોલોંગ ટાઈમે લાગ્યું છે. હા, એનો મીનિંગ સમજો. પ્રોપર ડોઝ નહીં. સપોઝ તમે 3, 4 year 5 year કન્ટિન્યુઅસલી સ્ટીરોઇડ લો છો વિધાઉટ એની કોઝ. Okay, just a minute. Osteoporosis એક બતાવી દઉં. Fine. જો આ 29 years age નું બોન છે, 40 નું છે, 84 નું છે, 92 years નું છે. બરાબર? બોન ડેન્સિટી. ચલો એ પછી જોશું. બરાબર? લખી દો.